Hello guys, sabaydi. I hope you guys are having a good day. So today, welcome. Oh, by the way, welcome back to Tong Jaidi channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today, we're heading out to the Reading Shasta Trinity area. We're going camping today. So let me introduce you guys to these fine gentlemen here. This is Uncle Bun Vieng Vilai. He's the driver. He's our chauffeur. So, and you got Uncle Finn here.
Hey,
Big dog, yeah.
Hey.
Hey, so here we go. And then this is our cousin Wanson. What's up, Wanson? How you doing today?
Good.
Yeah. So are we all excited to go? Yes, we're all excited. See, somebody already whooping and yelling and screaming. And look at Cindy in the back. Hello.
Hello. Welcome. Let's go camping. Let's go.
All right, guys. Yes. All right, so I'm going to film this as we go. So stay tuned and stay with us, and I hope you enjoy. Yeah, you hear that? He said comment,
Tom Jaidi,
and subscribe to Tom Jaidi. Like shit, where am I at?
almost there. 3.5 more hours.
3 hours. Look, over there is a hill.
A moment later, still the same place.
Moment later. I can do that. I know how to do that now. A few moments later. Willow's coming up, right?
Yeah. So.
Almost there. An hour. And it's 104 degrees.
Iron Mountain Road, Keyswick, right turn.
Right there, right there.
Slow down, bro. You on the curve.
Take that building out. You don't have to speed up, just chill.
Say 45, I'm on 40.
This is Old Town, historic Old Town bakery.
Haunted right there. Haunted building.
Man, that's a whole that's courthouse too. Been top rated. Yeah. That shit was in. They was rated before that. Huh? Here's pop. That's what they say.
Yeah, whiskey lake.
It's a big ass lake though.
I think this is the part I'm gonna swim right here. Right here, the part right here, swim right here, see?
Got no service. You got no internet. Got no bars, right?
I think they're stuck over there.
Loch Ness Monster right there. No, it's
That's
a
why I
wake.
say you ain't had no service. It comes in and out. Pretty much.
I think this is the one.
Oh, this is, yeah.
Yeah. Because there's parking right here.
What is that right there?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be.
Yeah, Whiskey Town. Yeah, I think this is the one.
In case you were wondering where we are going, we are driving along California State Highway 299 West, from a city called Redding to the Trinity River Adventure Park on the Trinity River. From a city Redding to the Trinity Adventure Park is about an hour drive. The road is curvy as it runs along the Trinity River. There are also very small towns along the way. It is a very scenic drive if you like and enjoy being in nature. Make sure you have plenty of gas in your tank, as there is no gas station nor service area for many miles.
Yeah. I want. You guys got lighter fluid already for the charcoal?
Crikey, look at this lad. We're in forest. Gotta find some dangerous.
But it don't sound natural when I do that.
Coming up is a very small town called Weaverville. Weaverville is a picturesque gold rush town in Trinity County, Northern California, located along State Route 299, about 50 miles west of Redding. Nestled at the base of the spectacular Trinity Alps, it serves as the county seat and is one of California's best preserved historic mining communities. History. Founded in 1850 during the California Gold Rush, Weaverville quickly became one of the richest gold mining settlements in the state. At its peak, the town had over 10,000 residents, including a thriving Chinese immigrant community of approximately 2,000 miners who played a vital role in the region's mining industry. Although mining eventually declined, Weaverville preserved much of its historic downtown, making it one of California's most authentic gold rush towns. Today, tourism, government services, and outdoor recreation are major contributors to the local economy.
In a town called Weaverville, there's a store, it's a shopping center here.
Last store.
Cool, yep. Look at Mr. Van Son trying to get out of that van, man. What's up, brother? Yeah. It's not that bad. It looks hot, but it's not that bad.
It's not bad, yeah. It's not like a
No.
The last store before we get to the cafe.
After we bought some ice, meat, and whatever we need before heading back out on the road again. Remember to get gas too before heading out because there is no gas station between here and the campsite.
You want me to kiss him, that's why. Go take a picture that way. No, you want me to kiss you?
You want rafting down here, Rick?
Right here.
Right here.
Is it right here or up there?
Not,
Up there.
Further up, yeah. Bigfoot, yeah. Yeah, that's signal.
I've been signal.
No, it's not this one. It's the Trinity one, bro. This big.
I'm gonna go from the back.
Your destination is on the left.
I am.
We got a store right here. Oh yeah, cool.
I'm waiting for Uncle.
Ain't nobody here.
Later. A few moments later.
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Good to see you again. Yeah,
seeing you, brother.
It's been like
Last year?
Yeah. That's
year.
cool. That's cool.
You
Good.
still making your YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. I still do. Where going? Oh, from where? More food where?
Hey, where you fit? Grab that onion out the other cooler. Now look for it. Hey, whatever. Don't put it in the meat cooler though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be drinking chicken and salmonella. Hey, there's meat in this one though.
What? You call me?
There's meat on the bottom of this. Hey, give Desmond a shot of that, bro. You got I don't know. Yeah, he drinks. Well, no, he drinks the Japanese whiskey. That's good too. I don't know. It was like $72.
They're down there.
They kept this in the freezer.
Hey, Yatui, where you going? My little boy, come here, boy. My little boy, come here.
We're gonna start out with some here.
Oh, guys, here we are. So we're setting things up. Look at.
Yeah, I gotta go. You're gonna have to pick it up over there, okay?
Jack, I'm gonna throw you in the water. You don't let me ride your bike.
What about? Dad, your knee's hungry.
Man, look at this kid.
I
Look
got
at
this
this.
ready.
Look. He's gonna go. You got a dirt bike? Oh my goodness! And it's electric dirt bike too, huh? Wow, look at you, all fancy, and you even got a racing boot and everything. Look. Oh, he got all kind of protection, helmet, goggle, everything. Look at that.
Yay.
Wow. Just drive carefully, okay? Go have fun, but drive carefully, guys. All right, there you go.
Hey, they got the whiskey, bro. Hey, give him a shot. No cushion.
I got cups back at
So we don't got no cups. I tell he gonna get it.
Let me go.
Christian bring the cups. So yeah, I had the little bullshit cup.
I got. What you call it? How?
What are you grilling, sir? Is that steak or pork?
Pork.
Nice, look at that. Thinly sliced too. What you marinated, pre-marinated, right? Man, look at him.
That white boy seasoning, just salt. That's it.
What? This guy.
Just salt. That's it, man.
No pepper?
No pepper. Black pepper's too spicy.
There's a reason why we run the country. There's a reason why we run the country.
Ah, shit.
I didn't even see your video from last year.
What are you talking about? You were in there.
I was in there. You never showed me.
What?
You guys subscribe to his YouTube
Hey,
channel.
2026 camping.
Hey, this is Noel. What's up,
2026.
Noel?
Hi, everybody.
2020. Hey,
Yeah,
last year we were here.
Hey, this my young nigga, rich and famous,
not famous, but rich.
looking for some.
I'm not rich either. But I am looking for something.
Well, what kind of something? You gotta explain
Whatever
it.
with a good heart. That means big
Something-
titties, I guess, right?
What he said.
What he said.
What he said. He said it.
Good heart. That means big titties.
Good heart. Big heart. Big heart.
Big heart, yeah. As long as you got a big heart, you just want a sugar mama, huh?
No.
No, not necessarily.
But I ain't gonna be mad at it.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Whatever comes, right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, why not?
Yep.
Working on the grill. Working out on the grill, no?